Hey you guys, I just walked inside of the Dollar Tree and they got a lot of boxes out right here, but I wanted to show you, even though they're not out, these are going to be some of the wrapping paper that they have from Expressions from Hallmark. So you got the Frozen, and those are the 3 ones I see right here. And then I also see another box over here that has like Snoopy. Look at Dumbo. That is so cute. Minnie Mouse, Pooh Bear, and all of the other ones, even the Muppet Babies at the bottom. Oh, look at these. They got some gel pens. They're in like a Christmas package, so I don't know if these are like supposed to be for Christmas, but it says smooth writing and it says super glitter. Those are really cute, so I'm gonna get a pack of these, and they do have glitter markers as well. You get 2 in a pack of those, but I think I'm gonna take one of these. Okay, so this location has everything out that I pretty much showed you guys. They have the hair stuff. They got these cute cheetah print scrunchies. Look at that, even the hair clips. Lots of stuff. These, the gray ones. You got those glasses. The unicorn headbands. This is cute. Oh, these are cute too. These little barrettes. They got that blue. Look at that one. That's pretty. And that burgundy one. I like those. And I see the little unicorn bags. Pictures. Oh, these books are cute. Mermaid Hair Don't Care. Call Me on My Shell. Okay. Walking on Sunshine. That one, the little hair ties. Make your own piñata right here. Look at that, a little unicorn or a llama. Let me get it right, it's a llama. Let's see, oh, they do have a unicorn now. And that's all I see, unicorns and llamas. That's adorable, and 2 different kind of pinks. Those, the little snap clips in all of those colors. Okay, lip gloss. The little boards that you can put stuff on. And I think that's it for over here. They got a lot of stuff out though. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's like just a bunch of cuteness. Oh, look at these pretty poinsettia clips. You only get 1 of them on there, but they're really pretty. You got like this, it looks kind of like pinkish white or silver. You got gold and red. And then the cute little kid socks, fa la 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 la, snowman. Look at that, with presents all over it. That. This one with the animals on it, that's cute. That one, and this one. Oh, look at these cedar picks, and you get 5 of them in a pack. That's different, I've never seen those. Is there any other color? Oh yeah. I see the silver, there's the gold, and then there's a red. They look like that with the bottoms like that. Looks like up here they got some cute little wreaths, mini wreaths. This one has the little berries on it. It was sitting right there. It looks like they got different ones. Look at that one. Oh, that's cute. It looks like those are the only 2. Potted poinsettias. Let's see, that's what that one looks like. With the little pine cone and the flower. It's cute. Oh, here's some cute little signs I didn't see. Have a Jolly Christmas. They looks like a little mason jar. Look at this one. Oh, that's cute. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Warm wishes. I did see that one. And they have that one. but I really like this one right here. Here's some berry garland. Looks like that. It's 9 feet. You got the red berries. You got gold, really pretty. And then you got this white, like pearl color. Oh, these are cool. Look at that. You got some magnetic hooks. You get 2 of them in a pack. Not bad. Never seen those. That would be cool to put on the refrigerator and hang your little towel or something on it. And then right here I see these mini sticker books. You get 1 sheet of holographic stickers and 1 themed mini sticker book. But look at those. Really, really cute. I love these. I like you a latte and that. And then you also have this one right here. 63 stickers in that one and 60 in that one. Oh, look at this vase filler. You get 110 pieces in there. You got the blue and white in case you're doing a blue and white theme. You got gold and silver and red and green. Okay, so this is the first time that I've actually seen this. It is a wreath, but it's shaped as a witch's hat. You see that? That's kind of cool. Let me see. Yep, witch's hat. Oh, look at this. A window installation kit. Clear insulation shrink film. Keeps out drafts and humidity. Insulates 1 window. Oh, okay. So anybody that needs that, that's pretty good. Okay. Oh, on this end cap, they got some cute bags. Joy and peace, but look at this one. It says no peeking. That's cute. Then you got the snowman, and then you got these little wine bags dashing through the snow with a bottle of Merlot. Oh, I like that one. 'Tis the season to be jolly. I would definitely get this one. There's a few more back there, I think. Oh, let's see. Do not open until December 25th. Look at his face. And Santa, I've been good most of the time. Naughty or nice. That's so cute. And right here I see Coralite Pain Relief Balm. I've never seen this here before. So that's interesting. 0.63 ounces. Here's some new little gadget. This is a rolling massager. I think the last one that looked like this, it was like a head massager. I don't see any here right now, but this one just has the rollers on the end in different colors. Okay, so the last time I was here, this is the brush that I overlooked. I was kind of thinking, when I seen it, I was thinking it was this one, the contour brush, but my YT sister pointed out that this one has a flat top brush. It's a flat top brush for foundation, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna get one today since I missed it the last time. You got the regular crease brush and all of that. Still got a lot of the pure ice. Look at this blush brush by Sassy and Chic. What else? They still got the gel polish remover. And I think that's it for right now in the makeup section. That's the cuticle oil and nail strengthener. But I don't see anything else new. Oh, they got some Frozen 2 stacked pencils right here, shaped like some snowflakes, and they come in different colors. Those are cute, little mechanical pencils. And they have a Frozen 2 journal, different ones. Jumbo erasers and a Frozen set of sticker story adventure by Color Forms. Oh, look, they got a whole display of stovetop stuffing. I guess they're getting ready for Thanksgiving. But look, and they got a coupon that says if you buy 4, you get 1 free. So not bad. You get 5 for $4. Oh, they got big cans of Hunt's pasta sauce with meat. This is 24 ounces. And they also have some fire roasted diced tomatoes, my favorite. I love tomatoes like that. Here's some Little River cocktail sauce, 10 ounces. And they still have some of the Newman's Own sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. All right, you guys, that is it. I'm on this last row, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys real soon in my next video. Okay, bye.